SmartConnect enables easy integration of DocuWare into almost any other software application. You can open and index documents from a third-party application in DocuWare. To do so, SmartConnect reads the contents from the program's record and transfers this to the DocuWare web client as search or index terms. You no longer need to enter the terms manually. SmartSearch reads contents from any application and transfers these as search terms to the DocuWare web client. The relevant documents from the file cabinet are displayed in a result list. If a perfect match is found, the document will be displayed in the viewer immediately. Example 1. Invoice Control. You have an accounting software application which you use to post invoices, and DocuWare where the invoices are archived. The invoices have the same invoice number in both systems. In the accounting software applications, when you edit the record of an invoice, you may want to view the corresponding invoice at the same time. Simply click on the DocuWare button that is available in your accounting software application. This button runs a background search for the invoice in DocuWare using the invoice number. The invoice is retrieved and displayed immediately. Example 2. Customer complaints. A customer has placed an order. The customer calls you because he believes that the amount on the invoice he just received is too high. The administrator views the order in the order processing system. To view all the documents associated with this customer, you can simply press the SmartConnect button. All prior communication with the customer will now be displayed. Just a mouse click away, you will find old email, the order, the invoice, and the quote stating the exact price that the customer is disputing. When storing documents or post-indexing already filed documents, SmartIndex reads the user interface contents and transfers it to the document pool as index terms, all at the touch of a button. Example: Invoice Indexing. In this application example, you also have an accounting software application, which you use to post invoices, and DocuWare where the invoices are archived. You start by scanning the incoming invoices so that they can be stored in a DocuWare web client basket. Entering the invoices in the accounting program and archiving the invoices now takes place at the same time. Open the accounting system. Enter the invoice by providing the relevant information, such as company name, date, invoice number, and invoice amount. Select an invoice in the basket and choose the appropriate store dialog to archive the invoice. The invoice will now be displayed in the viewer and the DocuWare Store dialog box opens. Now click the Smart Index button in the DocuWare Store dialog box and import all the data from the accounting system's user interface into the corresponding fields in the Store dialog box. The assignment of index terms in DocuWare takes place at the touch of a button. The documents in the file cabinet are indexed exactly as those in the accounting system. This automation eliminates inconsistent entries. The flexible integration with any application is a powerful argument for buying DocuWare. SmartConnect is sure to get prospective customers interested in DocuWare early on, as DocuWare can be easily integrated into any software application. Existing customers are able to further integrate the existing DocuWare system with various programs to SmartConnect. This makes accessing documents considerably easier and further reduces any resistance to expand their usage of DocuWare. As a result, more people actually work and collaborate more with DocuWare. To reach these two target groups, you need to develop the client's trust in SmartConnect and demonstrate how SmartConnect really works. DocuWare provides various tools to help you reach these two target groups. The SmartConnect promo video is an easy way to get started, as it shows customers about the application's benefits. The booklet and the live demonstration video provide further detailed information on SmartConnect. Please refer to the SmartConnect talk tracks for assistance before your first contact with prospective customers. To build trust with customers and to convince them that SmartConnect will also work on their computers, DocuWare features the SmartConnect Technology Check. Partners and customers alike have tested various applications for integration with SmartConnect. DocuWare provides a list of these programs. If a program is not included in the list yet, you can check if the application is compatible with SmartConnect through a few simple steps. Go to Feedbacks and browse the applications that have already been tested. Here, you can check if a specific application has already been tested. This research comes in handy when preparing for a meeting with a customer. If the application you're looking for has not been tested, use this tool to find out if SmartConnect is able to correctly read the text in this specific application. If you are sure that SmartConnect works with the desired application, you can demonstrate complete integration via the DocuWare Live trial. If you store relevant documents from existing or prospective customers in the sample file cabinet, you can show them how easily they can open documents directly from their applications in the future. These tools will help you pique your customers' and prospects' interest for SmartConnect and DocuWare. Ask your customers which programs they use frequently and which documents they would like to access when working with these applications. Instead of searching for these documents in different folders and applications, they can access them with one mouse click when using SmartConnect. Not yet entirely convinced? The DocuWare Live trial helps you demonstrate the direct integration of SmartConnect into the customer's systems, with applications as well as documents. This should eliminate all remaining doubts. Based on this information, the DAC can prepare an individual presentation and proceed with the sales process. Based on this information, the DAC can prepare an individual presentation and proceed with the sales process. SmartConnect is another powerful factor when selling DocuWare for both existing and prospective customers. Use these tools when prospecting. They're very convincing.